Guys, this is beautiful. I'm out here doing my school ride run. It's a 5K run. If you guys were like asking, anyways, it's so beautiful. Look at this. There's no one in sight right now. I don't know what place I'm in. And yeah, I've done around 2K and I still have 3K to go. I'll update you guys along the way. Guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. This is actually a paradise. It's not too hot, not too cold. We're, we're just cruising along here. It's some trees. Everything's so lush and green. And it feels so alive. I'll update you around the 3K mark. Or I'll just update you when I get back to my school after 5K. Guys, I'm back after 5K. Well, took me like 40 minutes, I'd say. And yeah, it's the best one, so.